In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a proxy in MetaTrader 5. If you use MetaTrader 5 in an environment where internet access is restricted or routed through a company network, you may need to configure a proxy before the platform can connect to the trading servers. A proxy essentially acts as a middleman between your computer and the internet, helping you route your connection through a specific server. This is common in offices, universities, or when using certain VPN or firewall setups. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing as we go so it all makes sense. First, you'll need to open the settings panel inside MetaTrader 5. Look toward the top of the platform window and find the main menu. In that menu, click on Tools. A drop-down list will appear. From that list, select Options. This will open the main options window where you can control many of the platform's core preferences. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker way to get to the very same options window. While MetaTrader 5 is active, simply press the Control key and the letter O on your keyboard at the same time. That's Ctrl plus O. This is especially handy if you change settings frequently or just like to keep your workflow efficient. Once the options window is open, you'll see several tabs along the top, each corresponding to different areas of the platform. To set up your proxy, you need to move to the tab labeled Server. Go ahead and click on the Server tab. This section controls how MetaTrader 5 connects to your broker's trading servers, and it's where all network-related settings are found. Inside the Server tab, you'll find the option to work with a proxy server. Look for the area that mentions a proxy and enable it. When you turn this on, MetaTrader 5 will start using a proxy connection instead of connecting directly. At this point, you may need to enter details such as the proxy address, port, and possibly a username and password, depending on how your network is configured. These details are usually provided by your network administrator, your company's IT department, or your proxy service provider. After entering the required information, confirm your changes and close the options window. It's a good idea to restart MetaTrader 5 or at least reconnect to your trading account to make sure the new proxy settings are applied correctly. If the connection fails, double check that you type the proxy details correctly or verify the information with whoever manages your network. And that's all you need to do to set a proxy in MetaTrader 5.